Hey, what's up, tubers? Today I'll be installing a new stock for my 1022. The old stock that I had on before it was the ATI Strike Force, and there was absolutely nothing wrong with this stock. It had a folding feature, so it made it very compact, and it also had a adjustable brace, you see. So there was nothing wrong with this stock. It's just that I am starting to get away from the pistol grips after experimenting with them, and I know a lot of people like them, but I just seem to be better with the regular traditional style of stock. So I took my 1022 out of this and I ordered a new stock. So here is the new stock that I ordered. This is the Hunter X22 by Magpul. And I got it in that beautiful OD green. So we're gonna have that OD green on top of stainless. It's gonna look real slick. It's gonna catch on, trust me. So let's do an unboxing and put this sucker in. There she is. Okay, so this, and just like with the PC carbine, this is an adjustable length of pull that you can put to the back of the butt pad, and I'll definitely be doing it. I just have long arms, and this seems to suit me much better. But here it is. Ooh, it looks good. I don't know if you pick it up on camera or not, but this is like a darker green, which I wanted. I didn't want no like bright green. That ought to be good for now. Oh, that looks slick. That looks slick. Let me test this length of pull and see if it is. It's not bad where it is, but I think I'm still going to add the others. Oh yeah, that's much better. Well, there she is, guys. What you think? Does she look good? I like that stainless on top of green. You don't really see too many of them, but I like it. I'm also going to put a OD green sling on here. Going to have all matching furniture and accessories. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.